For our project, we have decided to explore the social practices surrounding television. Television will be our medium for old media, and we will be using YouTube as our new media counterpart. In this case, social practices means the characteristic and form of behavior that are associated with watching television. This can also mean the social norms surrounding why we watch television, what we do while we're watching television, who we watch it with, and when and how we watch it. With this being said, what is television? It is a system for transmitting visual images and sounds that are reproduced on screens, chiefly used to broadcast programs for entertainment, information, and education. It is also an electronic broadcast system in which special providers transmit a continuous program of video content to the public or subscribers by the way of antenna, cable, or satellite dish, often on multiple channels. Television shows up starting the late 19th century when in the late 1800s, Paul Gottlieb Nipkow, a student in Germany, developed the first ever mechanical module of television. This mechanical method was perfected by John Logie Baird in the 1920s. Baird later invented the first electronic color picture tube, which is what televisions today are based off of. Television sets were expensive at their start, it was generally one set per household. This meant that families could come together, usually in the living room, and watch television together. These sets were small, and the experience was very intimate, which is a contrast to how we watch television today, which we will get to later. Television sets started selling near major cities and were quite expensive to start off with. Most people were exposed to TV solely through restaurants and bars or through windows in a shop. Home television sets were seen almost as a status symbol, but over time these grew more popular and most households kept on getting them. TV historian Lego Bogard said that television has established its place as the most important single form of entertainment and of passing the time. TV sets did end up becoming more affordable when more people had access to them. However, as times changed, people had to adapt to keep up with TV. Examples of this were the switch to high definition, or from TV stations going from analog to digital. This meant that some people had to get receivers, new boxes, or new TVs in general to get access to these new standards, but again, obtaining these new receivers and even HD TVs today are now more affordable.